Let's talk about student. What is payment to direct expenses? Payment to direct expenses mean paying costs that are directly connected to the production or purchase of goods. These expenses are necessary to bring the goods to saleable condition. What are direct expenses? Are linked directly to goods. Increase the cost of goods. Are charged to the trading account. Without these expenses, the goods cannot be productive or purchased properly. Common example: wages paid to factory workers, carriage inward freight, inward loading and unloading charges, factory power and fuel, import duty, packing charge for production. Meaning of payment to direct expenses: when a business pays money, cash or bank for its direct expenses, it is called payment to direct expenses. Okay. Example with explanation: a business pays 10,000 wages to factory workers in cash. Wages help in production goods. So wages are direct expenses. Why direct expenses are important? They help calculate the true cost of goods. They affect gross profit. Without them, trading result will be incorrect. Okay. Payment to direct expenses is the payment made for expenses directly related to production or purchase of goods. Step by step, let's see practical. Payment to direct expenses. Profit. Go to gateway of Tally. Profit and loss account. Next, purchase GST. Okay. You can see opening balance, April month. Main point, press Alt A. Okay. When you are press Alt A, open voucher. Okay. Accounting voucher. You know payment formula F5. Okay. You can see payment formula. Okay. First account, Bank of India, transport. 300 rupees. Okay. Next, enter. Narration being direct expenses. Bill paid. Okay. Student who will pay the transport charge, the company will pay. Okay. The payment to direct expenses entry is done.